Banda Aceh, Indonesia is the most successful story of recovery from a major natural disaster in modern history.
Ya, harapan pribadi Zakir untuk Aceh, saya ingin Aceh ini kembali stabil seperti sebelum tsunami.
18 months after having been leveled by a devastating tsunami, it is today a vibrant, booming city full of life, joy, and optimism.
Bisa mandiri, bisa saya mendidik anak walaupun saya sendiri ya. Itu bisa menyekolahkan anak.
The speed of its reconstruction is a tribute to Acehnese resilience and an unprecedented partnership with international humanitarian organizations. It was a quiet Sunday morning the day after Christmas in Banda Aceh, Indonesia. Suddenly the land shook, buildings cracked, people ran. A few minutes later, the big wave came and engulfed everything. The tsunami that hit Indonesia and other countries in 2004 was the biggest natural disaster in modern history. In Aceh, an 800-kilometer coastal strip was destroyed. Some 130,000 people were killed.
We were still in a real daze. Couldn't believe what had happened. Everyone was still looking for their families. Who had survived? Where was everybody? And so people didn't know whether there were still people here who had survived that they could get in and try and help and bring out. I mean, it was absolute chaos, and people were, just in shock, I think, rather than being hysterical, just in absolute numb and shock.